Hey guys, welcome to our video on data warehousing. By the end of this video, you should have learned the following. What is a data warehouse? What is data warehousing? Database versus a data warehouse. The properties of a data warehouse. Advantages and disadvantages of a data warehouse. What are data marts? What is data mining? And what is OLAP? The first thing that we're going to be discussing is, what is a data warehouse? A data warehouse is a single, consistent and complete store of data gathered from various sources. This data is shown to end users in a simplified form. This enables businesses to improve decision making and various other tasks. So the next thing that we're going to be talking about is, how does data warehousing work? Data is processed and transformed into information. This process is called data warehousing. A relational database management system which consists of transactional data which allows and supports management decisions that were previously not possible by means of querying and reporting. So what is the difference between a database and a data warehouse? A database consists of real-time information, while a data warehouse contains the business' entire information store, past and present. A database is used for running the business, while a data warehouse stipulates the rules for running the business. Here are a few examples of how a data warehouse can be used to run a business. Which are our lowest and highest margin customers? Who are my customers and what products are they buying? And who are my biggest customers? Are you still confused? Here's the example scenario. Phil is the owner of Philly Superstore. They keep track of all items sold, customer details, staff details, as well as information from other departments. All this data is extracted and integrated into one data warehouse. We will get back to this example later. Moving on to the properties of a data warehouse. A data warehouse is subject-oriented, meaning data is straight to the point instead of the company's entire ongoing operations. A data warehouse is integrated. Data is collected from various sources and merged into a coherent whole. A data warehouse is time variant. Data can be sorted and retrieved for different time intervals. And lastly, a data warehouse is non-volatile. Here is a simple diagram explaining the architecture of a data warehouse. Here are some advantages of a data warehouse. Data warehouse helps integrate data in a business from various customer-related systems. Trends and relationships are easily identified in various business sectors. Moving on to the disadvantages of a data warehouse. A data warehouse is not the optimal environment for unstructured data and has high maintenance costs. A data mart is a scaled down version of a data warehouse that focuses on just a subset of organizational data store. Here is a diagram explaining how data from a data warehouse is separated and put into data mart. Now we'll talk about a few ways to extract and simplify data from a data warehouse. So let's move on to data mining. What is data mining? Data mining is the process of extracting information from the organization's databases and reprocessing it for additional purposes. Back to our previous example. Phil finds that on Saturday between 2 and 4 p.m. milk and napkins are fast selling. Phil places the nappies near the milk at those times. So what is OLAP? OLAP means online analytical processing. This is a multi-dimensional array that is used to analyze complex relationships and look for patterns. Thank you for watching this tutorial on